This 5-minute solution will show you how to delete or remove recently played on Spotify. So if you played Spotify playlist or random music and you want to delete or clear your Spotify recent history, follow these simple steps. So the process will be similar for Android and iOS device. Open your Spotify app. Tap on this gear icon at the top right. Tap on Privacy and Social. Disable listening activity. And after that, enable private session. And then tap on back. Now tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. Clear cache. Once done, restart your phone and relaunch your Spotify app, and you will see your Spotify histories have been deleted. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.